say me I go up on the road though, me I go walk and free my mind, you know.
Yeah, man, that's you for do. That's you for do. Walking is good. It's a good exercise. But remember, when you're going for your walk, free up yourself, man, and emancipate yourself from your ex's slavery. You're not there with him anymore. You're not there with him foolishness. Yeah? New beginnings. We're moving upwards and onwards. All right? So go for your walk, clear your mind, cut the judgment, and you see when you come back, new environment, new beginnings. May I pray for you.
Okay, mommy.
All right, well, good.
Yes, mommy.
All right, baby.
Hello. Good evening. How are you hurrying go, sir?
Me I go about my business, I want.
Oh, me just did not compliment you. You look very nice. What's your name?
Thank you. Jody, my name.
Jody.
What's your name?
My name is Daffy. Where are you from?
I'm from Clarendon.
Clarendon.
Yeah.
So you do so far, Jody?
No, so me not so long move down at them place, you do.
Are you alone? Me no want to go up in your business, but are you alone the boat?
Yeah, man, I'm alone the boat, I want.
So you just forward from Clarendon to way down at Westmoreland, so?
Because tourist attraction, I come out, you know?
No, I understand. So where you heading to now?
Me head for go down at the beach.
Down at the beach by yourself?
Yeah, to go fresh air and cool out.
I understand. So what you plan to after?
I don't really have no plans after now.
So when I come back from beach, maybe you couldn't talk and something or get to know each other better?
So let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
You don't have a girlfriend?
Jody, me tell you the truth. You see, when I grew up, my mother used to tell me, say, me I go born a handsome young man and me I go break all the girl them heart. I tell you something about my mother. My mother lied. I never have a girlfriend in my life.
So who for say no you are the liar?
Oh, but you just know me what reason would I have to lie to you?
So why you never have a girlfriend before?
No. Like we get close and I talking, you know. Me reach some stages, but I guess me too shy or me don't know the right words or me not look good enough. Me don't know for that.
Right.
So you don't have a boyfriend, Miss Clarendon?
No, I know. I don't have none.
None at all?
None at all.
So me I can't talk then?
In what way?
Just talk and get to know each other, man.
Alright.
Alright, so we can get a number? Alright, perfect. Alright, enjoy your beach trip.
Alright.
Bye.
Bye. See you.
See you too. Davey, you did it again. You did it again, boy.
Long time you see you. How you do now?
Huh?
How you do now?
I want me a walk.
I look for you.
No, me dirty foot ex. Me fi beat him.
The man left you?
I left me
Outside!
run in, run off. You don't want to know what me say? Let me tell you how it begin. One day I come on the road, I see two girls fight. So I walk up and I pat them and say it's not right. But if I pat them, I could have killed one. If I find out they're my sister. Then I fight over a man. I say, when I see that a man, I say, Manda, beat the girl. That if you beat his sister, I can sister take him, man. No offense, I did my man, them a fight over me, no.
Oh God, poor thing. If you really take
Me have train the girl karate.
If you take him, if you fight girl over your man.
Over my man, I know.
Something wrong with your man.
Me never know.
So, me did tell her to take me up, but no, you didn't want me because me a junkie.
You did drunk then time they are drink too much but me never want that.
No, so me drink come here now.
Me see that, me might think about it. Cause right now me single, might think about it.
You think?
Yes.
That me like. That me like
The man left me and I'm alone, me there talk to. So me single now.
So the man did they play you? Why didn't he have
Yes. Two sister they play two sister, me not eat that, I me know that. Me say, when I grew up, you see all the sister me teach karate.
Me the think circus done bill.
No man, I beat she.
Oh.
Turn and beat I'm taking another sister and turn up like she a goat.
Me teach you something. Never you beat a woman over a man because they don't know what go on and like say the woman didn't know say you
No, they know say the man have the woman. They know everything.
Oh.
Because the man tell them. The man tell them.
So you know if the man tell them?
Because she tell me. Me to say me on a system I did friend. Man that tell me how everything go. Mother says to the man look him, the man tell him so they can go and link up because what he have in woman and yard are miserable. that will be me, the miserable one. You understand?
Okay.
Yes, so my planning if you get a chance and so none of that.
Like that. Woo! You from around here, my friend?
No.
Oh, you don't come from around here, look nice. You don't live with nobody.
No, you know. I live with nobody. I want
Me I look
But
at
you
a
know say yeah,
woman
same thing.
with her.
Yeah, the same thing as me
What?
dirty foot ex.
Where you talk about?
Because you just right there so I look me and me say, alright, me go and give you a chance, give you change. You dey look one other woman. Other thing do me, you know. Look at that woman behind me back. Miss, I will tell you go away now. Can you see them a man in another lane now? They don't want nobody. They want look somebody for use.
Me and you dey put on application?
We will sign up the application and you take it dash away. Eh?
You say you that take me up. You never give me the go ahead to you, me and you there.
Me now get the go
You
ahead
have no
so me have to
picnic?
test you.
No, I don't have a child. What about you?
No, me not have none, you know. Me single and never. You see, from me know myself, and now me they get to that old age, I never get a woman.
So you never talked to no woman before?
Me talk to them, but I never see like inside them body, like. And
Inside out.
like, yeah,
Yeah.
me not know how a woman look. Even if me take off a woman clothes, me not gonna know how it look.
Oh.
Because
So
me
you're a virgin?
call it so the Mary.
Stop tell lie. Stop tell lie. Remember your wife. Stop tell for a joke in here.
Me
Yeah.
and my wife never do nothing.
So what are they married for?
We just married just because I love.
Come go up. Move.
We can't talk to.
No. Move quick and fast for me start beat you. Like although you know me man, we beat you.
I'll see you
Why?
later, yeah?
All right,
man?
darling. I will see you.
Get up
Don't
and
worry.
road said I look, girl. Move.
See you. I try to tap my food.
How are your problem now, miss? Me know you?
Let me tell you this. You see man, them that lane ya, them are perfect liar. Me say they lie. Don't mix and me go with none of them, you hear?
So you know say all of them are lied? All of them
Because-
not have to be lied?
No, they live it in the lane. I'm used to deal with one in here. And the one they know. The little dirty man that are gonna be road. Him just prove me right, so the one of them are liar.
So all of them you're there within Adelaide?
No! We don't do it all them, but me see the all of them give them woman bun.
So you know say no relative them you go say all of them are lied?
Hello, I catch them with my raw eyes. And that me I tell you, say me catch them. So just make sure say you hold your head straight and don't put your eye pan no man at all. Not even that one they will go up there, especially that one they take your eye for him.
Suppose that him like say you tell me to take me eye for him.
Hello, you know who me?
You know who me be?
Me don't know who you be now. And you just come here. And I'm agree with my spirit, can me tell this, me a mad girl. And you see
I mean psycho.
And you see how girl take my man? None of them not take none again. Although I'm my man, but my man is soon to be my man. My being baby man. If he be my man, you can't want him, girl. Well, head straight and go on now. Brighty.
The man good like
Cover
you, but
and
now you
bright.
don't know. Mommy,
Yes, baby.
I have something to tell you now.
Mm-hmm.
Sit down, me tell you.
Alright, make me talk. Let me hear.
So, I go up on the road.
Mm-hmm.
But I take a walk down on the beach
Mm-hmm.
and book up this cute guy now. So the guy cute and him handsome. I tell him I feel like I fall in love again, mommy.
Girl, be careful. Remember what you go walk for. But clear your head for why.
But I feel like I'm in love again.
So quick.
Yeah, I'm cute and everything. I feel like I fall in love again. And not every man are the same.
Listen, there's no such thing as good man on this earth. Don't fall for that. I just last week me I wipe your tears, not true. You say you go for a walk for clear your head, and this how you clear your head?
I mean, even tell me saying that even have no girlfriend and he never have no girlfriend before.
What pick they say?
One big man, a big man, mommy.
Big man,
Yes.
like how much so?
Around 32.
32 and never. I want a two thing. Either mama man or fish. Which
No,
30
no, no fish.
girl look for the which 32-year-old man you hear
Some
of?
man him nice and everything.
And
Nothing wrong with him. He
make
don't
it
look
worse,
like no
nothing wrong
fish.
with him. You know, see nothing wrong in that.
No.
Girl, if it's too good to be true, it probably is. Let me tell you something. You see, when me think say me and your father in love, me go on so to, you know, and me think says real love, my heart a flutter, everything a flutter, if you know what me mean. And me think it's a real thing. All these years him gone. Me and you dump on my face, me dump on my face and your son and whatnot, it. When there? This good man, the same way, so me tell all my friends, all my family, oh, I'm in love. It's real love. My heart's a jitter, everything. No fall for it, baby girl. Nothing no go so. Right now, I'm that firing on the 2 white woman.
Well, me think me fall in love and me think me love him because him like me and me like him.
Oh, love combinating, you just meet him. What is his favorite color?
Blue.
Why mother and father name?
One name Chimmy.
One name Chimmy. How
Yeah.
much mother and father him have? His
My father named
parents him have?
Chimmy. And his mother named Mary. Yes, and he say I'm going to carry me go meet his mother too. Yes.
And you come on. You're not born yesterday. I'm in a raise no fool. 32-year-old. You not find that? Come on, you not find that strange? 32. Never had a girlfriend.
Mature and him know what is love and everything.
How he know what is love and he's never been in love? Mine, you know. Sure, you have the body on your head. Mine, him no mistake if you're a man, you know. Mine. Something wrong. Something wrong.
Alright, mommy. I go want a shower.
Alright, but think about what I said, baby. Something wrong with that, the picture. Think about it.
Alright, mommy.
Alright, my older and wiser. Alright. One or two things that sound like better not hurt the baby again.
Oh, yeah. What's the time now? I should do. So what do you have to do forward and everything to the forward and see and say that I will try. Man, it's not really you, you know. I'm really sorry about that. I can't apologize, you know.
I do right now, I'm big up testing right now, I'm a fall. No one to the phone with the phone right now, I'm
Trying to say so.
my look at one way up other day, and them left. Extra now, you know. I'm saying I place right now, she more try to get to right now, so me.
I'd like you to tell them, you know, make me and my man, left the man. How that go on?
I'm just going to accuse me of all the stuff and try that chance, you know, so you know, to lift up.
So you have proof.
No, I'm not for us, yes, we are go off.
One time you can't work off a hearsay, you know, but that's one time when you hear things, if you know the truth, close to the truth.
You know,
Weird way around.
but you know, she even say me I go and look to see in her place, because me saying they in her place, you know. Yeah.
You can't go and look to a man, but put on all the answer to a man, because it's so much, you know.
You must be a Jamaican now, man.
Yeah.
So now you know, we're good.
For that, you're my father. Well, that me you want to tell us this. So go and pick up yourself. Alright.
Mama. Send me to them place.
Stand where if you know around them place, I want me.
So I move so.
Oh, me I move.
You may walk and look for an evening and come here say don't say you know.
You're not supposed to walk and look for me from even, because when you do can't go, so why you walk and look for me?
Oh God man, calm down now man.
Calm down, why you should have never lay down with my auntie, why you do
You
that?
never know say your auntie that.
So why give you a right, if you never know some auntie, why give you a right for go there with other woman?
No, you know, you come down man, go road in the night and come in back you know say I your time and I need the police for aisle. You never know say your auntie woman, you never know what they do and you know that.
Oh, you never did want me know. But now me know, so what you are going to say and what you have to do.
So we can't try to work things out.
Work what out? After you go to my auntie and there with my auntie, you want to come back here and work out what with who?
For your family doing nobody else for your family, you know.
So you cheat on me with my auntie. And you expect me to believe you that you're not with anyone.
Not nobody I know.
Oh, please. Sorry to say, but I met someone and I don't think this will ever work out again.
You mean to make someone?
Bye.
Him not live in peace, you know. Remember me tell you, you know. Anybody else live in peace? Alright, remember me tell you, man. Everything good. Buck up in the life, oh. That's alright.
You want to even bother? Come. Where you run and go?
No, I don't run. I saw I run my jingle and I stop and I don't run me I run.
Where is Saga go?
I'll drop me there, drop.
You know how long me look for you?
Look for me.
You know how long me look for you, David? Boy, you left later. How you not got your people, man, now? How you still there?
Afraid because you seen with the girl and babes.
Get up, I wrote that give me bun.
No.
Wrote that they give me bun.
Baby, no. I know a lie that happened.
What happened?
Baby, right now I feel like a salt over me. It's just a misunderstanding. I just stand up and I talk, but you see where you grab me so. You see it? I said
Top grab me.
Top
Grab me so not grab me so.
sorry. I'm sure I don't say you grab me. I'm afraid.
Because me get so mad to say me have my man and me there yard, me now do nothing wrong. You there road with girl a fight over you. They tell me say I told them they there. That then tell me say. No wonder make when me a man that did feel they have one problem with man that you know.
No man that idiot, I like me not like him. He want dead but me not like it. That's why me tell yourself in a par with him but me couldn't bleed out it. Cause your friend and he want deal with me. The other one now.
Are you that look her?
Come for look him.
Me hear say you look them.
Come for look two of them. Come for look two of them one time. I idiot. Them two of them are idiot for deal with me 2 times.
Yeah, cause they want you.
Tell her that me I talk about. I'm gonna salt.
Anyways, I me had me a Congo.
See you know miss me?
Miss who? Cheating you?
I never cheat.
How you there do then, David?
I tell us I just want misunderstanding.
David, you make the girl them laugh at me. And I never fight over man yet. You want to sketch me on the road, say that beat girl, I go at girl, you go tell girl like a goat. Power ya.
I believe a man, but me I tell us I never do no cheating. Because
you there do something, because them say you are them there.
Then tell her that for you let them go. So you turn your anger upon me. You see, look.
So what?
Hold on, think about it. If me I'll catch you, and me have you and I beat you hard and pick you and sit down and say, where Onik there? Where Onik there? And I beat you. I want to know what Onik there. You go saying downtown. I'm left you alone. No, so you go.
Let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
So why you run off me? When you just stand over here and wait till me come here and talk about it? You run gone.
Because you grab me and jerk me. You jerk where you jerk me, jerk out the wall. I'm sense them. So me have to run.
Oh.
Yeah.
But your good stills.
I'm not really good. I'm up on the road left round. I'm not even found you know. I'm when me hungry.
How if anybody that give money, you tell your yard I get dinner. They get breakfast.
Come fit on me yard and you beat me.
Who tells you for run out?
Why you lick me?
Can you give me bun? Say a ball out and give me a ball out for.
Bro, so we can't come in back. You want a second
Coming back where?
You want a second chance?
Who for us?
Want a second chance?
Me no feel safe to deserve a second chance.
But me no do nothing wrong. Are you lick right now? You know, see, I use matter of fact, ask me for one second chance. Cause you lick me. Are you come on roadside and lick me and embarrass
You're
me?
bright! And out of order.
Alright, me forgive you.
Alright, me go forgive you. Come.
Forgive you.
Yeah, cause me still love you, you know. I mean, nobody take it from me.
No, so me can't.
But listen to me still. Tomorrow morning, in the day, make sure you pack up your clothes them and come my yard. And let me go look for you. Boy, you run gone.
Alright.
Go for your clothes them and come.
Alright.
Bright. Boy, you run gone.
Alright.
Yeah, you're bright. Boy, you run gone with people property. No, sir.
So, new beginnings with say, not true?
Yes,
Yeah,
mommy.
man. I know it's an upwards.
What? Hello, evening. Are you may look fine? Yeah, so me just did our call her.
Mommy, before we go any further, see the guy me that tell you about the other day. So, David, this is my mom. This is David.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Alright, how you doing?
I'm good.
Alright, glad to know. So where you heading to now, sweetheart?
You know, say my mother that walk up.
Everything good?
Yeah, my alright and everything.
Alright.
I beg you a minute.
Oh, no.
I just want to talk to my daughter.
No problem.
Come here. I hear me say you meet.
Yes, mommy.
I let the man tell you say, him not had no one man.
Yes, mommy.
My spirit not take him, girl. Him see you with your mother. And I come sweetheart, like some in the day.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Him know you like that. My spirit not take him.
Mommy, you have problem with my father. You have problem with the man before my father and the one before that. You have problem with everybody. Me, it's not the same thing. I know what reach you go reach me. And it can work.
Girl, you know, say a pretty boy that. A pretty boy
But me
that.
did tell us them handsome.
Never, you don't look on him. Never had a girlfriend. Me I tell you, say, him is either a mama man or a fish.
Mommy is
Either
no
way,
mama, man.
you not hear me. You not hear
Puss
me.
and
when
dog
me
not the
talk.
same, no, not because it not work out for you, mean it not go work out for me.
You not hear me. Remember me tell you, Remember me tell you. So no bother come back and bow to me. Because me see hurt pan him. And him a go hurt you.
Me not get
Me
hurt,
not
mommy,
trust
cause
him.
it a go work. It not me
Him
not
too
feel
friendly
away.
for my liking.
Him
Remember
not
me tell you.
friendly.
Remember me tell you, but you're a big woman. I can only advise you. I can lead the horse to the water, but I can't force it to drink.
Exactly.
Mm-hmm. Come on. I mean, I like remember that. Yeah, wait.
Anyways, as you were saying, I'm not a man to man. Let me just
Oh,
have him
no
silent.
worry about that, man. Everything good. What am I say?
Well, she has said, you don't look like the type who never talk to a girl yet.
Me never tell her
You
something.
look like your mama man, all of them something there.
Allah ya tell.
Yeah, so she there behave and go on. I don't know why she a behave so because no. Mommy and my father couldn't agree. The one before, she and I can't agree, and the one before that still can't agree. It's like she puts on that have same now, so she feel like that now go work for me too.
Well, maybe I just fear bad experiences with men previously, but me and them are the same. I don't think nobody still like me.
And I hope what she has said. I not true.
No, me no mama, man. Me can't promise you that, man. Nothing like that.
I not have no woman.
Me have you. You know my woman.
Oh, so if me
Yeah.
see you with the next girl, what me for do?
Ask me, say, hey, babe, who is this?
Me if you ask her,
Yeah.
look for me and look for my good. You think me go ask you? Me is a mad, sick, and head no good girl. So me not gonna ask you. 'Cause remember they want to tell me say you never talked to a girl before.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm not gonna stand up and make the girl floor me.
No,
It's a
after
mad
that.
girl.
I know that, man. I like me like boy. I could have seen it enough from the way I see you walk. Boy, you coming from Clarendon.
The one then it's the only Clarendon and me not go run. If I'm but with no man, I'm not go up and down come marry that one me. But when play stubborn come feel like some a big woman so I'm there with
Excuse me a
man.
minute, excuse me. Remember set time the pound and I want to catch your supermarket before it closes. And I need you to help me.
Alright. Go on with your mommy. Me and you see.
Me talk to you.
Alright, take care,
mommy,
yeah?
come. Yeah.
Alright, bye. Alright, my mother-in-law.
What's here? You're not my son-in-law until you marry my daughter.
Don't worry about it, man. In due time.
Just Miss Miller will do. All right.
Come, mommy,
Alright.
come.
I might breed your daughter. I know what that for you.
I didn't know about that, Joe.
Well, go on.
Yeah, boy.
Me try to cut off a rum, but sometimes you know, say the rum have to, drink. So, how you walk down them here? How you want?
I know some ex book up in the yesterday, so. I tell them, man, you look good, you know.
So you never know, so when you left a woman I go always look good. You don't know that?
That mash up my head right now, man, I tell them.
So, mash up your head.
Why them want her back?
No, man, listen to me. You see when you want to win a woman, you want to tie back with you?
I mean,
When you want to win a woman, all you have to do is buy her roses, chocolate. You buy her any little thing, you go give her. Even if you can't afford the flowers, you pop people flowers, you go give her. Then the woman like them, there's something there.
so you sure that we work?
What? Listen, especially when you buy them some nice perfume, some panties, some lingerie.
But
They
you
will
remember
say,
nowadays, woman, they like so, you know, you have to have money, like money for win to a woman.
I'll teach you something. You say, some woman, you have to use money to get them, Y'all can buy them food, box food every day. I want Popeyes, I want burger. You just buy, you only want, some woman love them belly.
You make it sound easy.
No, me I try to show you, say, some woman love them belly.
Me know, saying up them belly,
Even when that me did have my catty them, before me
So,
married to my wife,
But she don't love for your belly like that.
She don't love her belly.
No, daddy.
You have a fight. You can have a fight.
Wow.
So if you win her heart, you what you do now. And you have to be like me, you have to be a man when you go there. You see, if you don't have the money to buy certain things to win her heart,
Yeah.
you have a boombox.
Me can't borrow one.
Right. You go there, just play a love song. You call out and you say, babes, me a mad out.
No, that overdate now, daddy. No,
Huh?
daddy.
No, you're with her hand because you go
No, man, it's overdate now, man. So, no, daddy. Overdo the thing now, man. No, me can't do that. Me want her, but me nah go there so for that.
No, You don't understand what me I try to show you.
Me I understand what you're trying to show me, say, you know.
It's like when you have an iPhone and your woman have a Samsung.
Yeah.
And when you have the iPhone and she have a Samsung, she have a problem with it. So you have to understand.
Daddy, she don't tell me she have a man already, you know, Daddy. So it's gonna work. Boombox business not gonna work. Me I come like I want fool.
You know?
You have a man.
So when the hell you come and say that? You talk like say, a woman don't add nobody. Well,
But they say just me, you know, serious yet.
oh,
So me have a little chance probably.
then
But the boombox thing they not work, Daddy.
you work for me. You know me play Cillian song, I Will Go On. That is the best song. You play that, or you play The Power of Love. What's one Kayla? Away I go. Away I go.
Andrew.
Away I go. Wait,
Call my friend job one.
Yeah.
this is take back.
No, me get my ex. Or that.
Rough.
One thing you say, you give me a chance.
No. You need to me take time and come in and be excited, man. Give me a moment. Wait. Start over. Oh, Andrew. I got a friend job
What
one.
I deal with?
There you good.
Yes, man.
Me think boy somebody say what day ya and me think we go candy. Cause me see me ex and me take him back. I never do it. I hope I tell them the time done. So me release him. Me beat every last one of the girl and run him out of the lane.
Oh, yeah, look for.
Eh?
Yeah, look for.
Me I try to look for the fact because this is yam head here. And a real yam head. Me I tell you.
Why? Wait, me not
You take up your man back.
Yes! Me pick him back up. Me just jab him up so.
Lego me and me a man. My friend
Oh,
had
such
it
an
me so.
example.
No jape me up man and me a man.
Me not
Easy
give up a
man.
stay say, pack up your clothes man come back a yard. Tomorrow I make tomorrow come and me not see him because I'm back a yard.
A Frank.
I
She
must.
can't.
Watch
So
me.
it was son. Me
Watch
like
me.
how you
You really have to take up back your man.
Yes, can you
I'll
know
find-
better?
Wait a second.
You know
You know
better.
you say you better.
Up the road, me talk, me the talk. As one of that little catty come, you jump gone.
One nice little filly.
Yeah.
Apart, right? Me I talk to she and I look at her. She tell me say she a go think about it. Right? You a go think about it for your maybe.
Not really. But if me see a cat here pass, I know so me can get in there. Me I go in
You
there.
can't get in there.
You know get in there.
But
or no?
anyways, me get to find out something, can I get some intel from the other day. And through me a friend. Any day, me book call your baby mother again. I go and make she roll like a shoe with the picnic. Cause I see that hit me, man.
Me.
No, your baby mother. I you not hear about
I mean
it.
you talk about all along.
No,
Oh, yeah.
your baby mother. Take me, man. Tie me, man. So me untie man that beat
Me
your
no-
baby man. You see your baby mother pack up and gone. You see about the place here?
No, so me I wonder what go on, but me don't know about no.
All
So-
his sister gone too.
Eh.
Me hear about him.
So what I mean, when you need to talk about your ex, and your baby mother they talk about R1 different one.
Who you think me talk about, Daddy?
You must one different one I could never hit.
Jesus.
You got it, me I tell.
And you call me liar. Eh?
The way man in that lane, you lie.
Hello. Put the truth on your mouth. I am not a liar.
Yeah, what then?
I am just a junkie. That's the only thing I do.
I
Drink.
walk and unk up like unk dog. That's all you do.
Daddy. You have to stop drinking, man. You suppose
Strip your
I
body.
feel your money.
I don't mind, man, but you have to stop drinking,
I
man.
feel your money.
But you are drinking.
When you have smoke, I tell you to smoking.
But when me
But
smoke, me now
anyways-
rum different from the weed, you know. It rum make your
Me
chat
a
be a
come down, me
foolishness, Daddy.
yard, but I my place and cook some food and put on so nice. Put a close my man put on as in coming in tomorrow. Back home with him bag. Cause I'm my man.
One question before you leave, you know.
What?
I leave you with a good question here. A matter of fact, let me ask you this. You plan to go back the road where you go back right now, right?
You blind me take back my man.
And come back a ball again.
Me now come back and back, I last time
And
never ball.
and train the next girl to fight.
If I saw be the case, me beat the man this time. Brawl him, me say me gonna start bat abuse in my yard.
Yeah,
Watch.
Yamatan, man.
Huh?
Yeah, Yamatan.
I don't care what you want to say.
Oh,
Me a jape him up.
Yamatan.
Yeah, man, you know Yamed.
Oh!
And me a call you man.
No, you talk then.
And me a really call you man job when after me a year for 5 years job when you diss me so.
But
Whole
how you
field.
move? But yeah,
Whole field, go on.
I just say no woman. I say no go don't forget back your woman them.
Me a get her back.
Whole field, go on. Say, I'll get the whole bakery, you know.
Yeah.
The whole bakery.
You will be a criminal.
You know, as
Yeah.
we say, get the boom box.
You have to something else, man. Tell me something else we can work with. The boombox. You must have Jamaica this another day.
Alright. Thief. If you can thief nothing over the yard, make them a look for it for 2 days. And you know, go over there and carry back and tell them, say, oh, boy, you see him from the road with the box him up and thump him down and you know, say, female. Anything what you and him did have,
Daddy.
when they did there with that.
Daddy, they have a new dog over there, you know. The dog know me, you know.
No, listen to me, boil up some tin mackerel, boil up and dash it to the dog. By the time the dog is done, that you done come out and gone already. So,
Make it sound easy, but I'm going to try still.
try, man.
Yeah, I'm going to try, you see?
Try.
Alright.
Yeah. Why? You come like we turn council in Eileen, yeah. Eh?
You tell you something really not like him, babe.
But nothing wrong with him.
I just not trust him.
What about him, nothing?
Fart.
I'm going now, baby. What you say? Now you want a chance, now you move, so.
I want you. I tell you, I want you.
I need me someone, oh God, man. Give me a little
I'm not in
chance,
nothing
man.
with you. I'm done with you.
Auntie,
Why
talk
I
to
stop
her,
me
auntie.
for?
Why?
Talk to her auntie for me, man.
Baby, come here to talk.
Talk about what?
I know him cheap on you and give you a bun. At least the better the devil you know.
You see one say, we must cry off my tears and move on with life because the world not done.
Yeah, man, but me not really not like to get the feeling of this new one. I'm slimy. I mean, I tell you, say you go ball more. At least you know this one. But that's next pretty boy one, and him I lie to him start off lying to you.
Well, I him rather than the one, yeah.
No, man, I not believe so. Because you know where you stand with this one. And like
But
like
leopard
how my
can't
bed-
change,
hold on,
mommy.
hold on. Like
Him
how-
burn me, I burn me more.
All right, just deal with him different. Your eyes wide open now. But you know where you stand. That when I lied to you from the start. You see pretty man like that never have a girlfriend. Something wrong.
Suppose
You
I
know
mean
it.
did I wait upon.
No, man, a big man like that. I wait all him life. Give this one a chance because you ever hear some make up sex better than nothing?
Well, the one you
I'm
know
gonna
go
try
nice.
sweeten you up, man. I'm gonna try
Me
sweeten
no
you up.
sugar.
Take the sweet up. Take the sweet up.
Me no want it.
Take the sweet up. Trust me. Trust me. Don't talk to me.
Yes, I want to baby. Forgive me now.
No.
Oh God, come on, man.
And by the way, I tell you this. See my man a gunman. So me I want you leave me alone. If you keep on pest me, I gonna make him page you one way. I want you leave me alone.
Sort of do with me. Me respond boy and your gun, man.
Me no want you back. That's the whole point about me no need it. Just stop me now.
Well, me get rid of my type of shit and for some big case, you know.
You need to leave me alone. Go find your type. I'm not your type. If I were your type, you wouldn't cheat on me with my auntie. So where I stop me for now?
Don't tell us I rum do it. But everything good, man. You must get your
Well,
back
where
still
I
here.
You have to try, you know.
Try what?
Give you a little patience.
Oh God.
You hot, man.
I'm tired.
But baby girl, how you so special, so? 2 man want me, girl. 2 man want you at the same time.
But I only want my one, to be honest too. Yeah. Want the cute one. The meat on the road. I got breeze out. I go down on the beach. Yeah. I know mother the whole body. Can lie to me. And then in turn on and cheat on with my auntie. And I go tell me say nobody know say my auntie. Then when I go back there, so mommy, a leopard can't change. So if me go back, I go do the same thing with the next woman and come back and say sorry again. Me not idiot.
But baby, on a serious level now, make we talk woman to woman. All man can say, you know, you not gonna get a good man what we are look for. All right, we're not in the fairy tale thing. Hear me out. You know how your ex stand already, so you go in with the eyes wide open, no wide shut. You go in with the eyes wide open, and you hold the handle and make him hold the blade. You see like how I run. Let me teach you something. You see like how I run you down. You get anything out of him right now, right? Y'all get the world out of him. Can I try get back to you? But you're going with the eyes open. This pretty boy one, in my tricks so straight off, you know, say I'm a con man.
So yeah, tell me say, go back to my ex with my eye them open. So me for me eye them open so. And they look on over this so. I give me bun again.
So you know hear about bun for bun? You know hear about bun for bun, baby? Me now say give him your heart, you know. But every woman need a man by them side.
That is why I'm gonna take the one I'm introduced to you.
You
Come in
don't
and need
know
him
nothing
again.
about this one, girl. Him a scammer.
Oh, you know say my scammer.
Cause him is a
He's not a
liar.
scammer.
You can't get to 30 in a Jamaica. Which Jamaican man you ever know get to 32 and never see pum pum yet?
The one I'm mean.
No man, me I tell you, same smell fishy to me.
But the one down there's a smoke a ganja.
Ganja God's herb.
I don't like
Me
it.
not like it. But at the same time, ganja is God's herb, not do it. Me no smoke it, but not do it.
Well, me no want
And if
him.
that
And
is
me
your
not go take him
complaint,
back.
and nothing.
Me not take him back and me no want him. Me move on with my life, a new page turn. You see him and tell myself to turn a new page.
Yes. But
Then why you want me flip back the page back way?
me
And
not
forward
tell
me
you
I
to
go.
flip back the page, but me I tell you to move forward with this one. Better the devil you know. So you move forward with this one. And do your thing, cause you don't know him flaws, you don't know him
That
benefits.
is why me not turn the page back way, mommy. Me I go forward in a life.
Me I try to teach you something, you know. This what me go through, you know. Me not tell you wrong. Me
But
love
when
you.
you
Me
go
not.
through different from what me I go through now.
So me I try to save you the pain, baby. Me I try to save you the
You
pain and the
can't save me
heartache.
pain when you and my father can't agree. The one before my father and the one before still can't agree.
That's why me I tell you my mistakes that me learn from. Listen, it's a good thing to learn from your mistakes, you know. But here what? It's even better to learn from somebody else's. Especially when you have somebody that try tell you the mistake they make and try tell you, if me didn't know better, me would have do better. And that me I
That
try
is why
for
I
you.
know better now, so me I gotta do better now. I'm not going back there, I'm sorry.
You really are going with this pretty boy fish. Really?
Mommy?
Alright.
Sorry, but
Alright,
That's not what I want.
alright. Don't say I never warn you. Hard as picnic will feel.
Baby,
Yeah.
top shot is here again.
So why you finish the closing part? Me say, yeah.
I'm happy to see you. See that baby, they want to wash this one, this clean. Me carry this for you. But this day everything else want wash. Everything.
So okay, cause I'm not clear about you. You want everybody to say you the run way?
No, but
What is okay? So the run out with day.
Baby, school man, I sell that and buy some Chesters.
Oh.
So
No, I'm there play a game.
that me I see. You miss me?
Yeah, me miss you. That's why I'm telling you to come back.
No man. So where they going? Where you cook? You not cook nothing in there?
Me cook already for you.
Where you cook?
Stew peas.
Me no want no stew peas.
Why?
I want no stew peas.
When on a stew peas
Me
be?
just don't want no stew. Me don't feel for stew peas today.
A stew peas in there and a stew peas you go and take.
I know dumpling in there. And flour.
No be stew peas. Me say me they give you.
Sweetheart, me can't eat stew peas.
Why?
Can you know what they say about stew peas, man?
Ten time man.
Yes.
I me want to tell you this time so nobody no take you away.
No.
Me nah make them tell you this time or hope you this time. Me I do it myself.
Me not depend that. Me not like
So
them.
you did the funny when they take you away.
You will come with some stories. I me can't bother with it. You know?
Alright.
But me not want no stew peas with you.
Come, let me say for sure.
Oh, sure.
I walk along.
Mommy, what happened?
I'm there now. Where you there?
I don't yard me them man. What go on?
Can I link up later?
Later?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
So we are gonna meet.
Are you fit tell me?
We can meet the same place how we meet the first time.
Alright, no problem no, you know that. So me have to go sleep over?
Of course, why not?
Alright. Alright then, miss you.
Alright.
Babes.
Hmm?
My mother call me and say, the baby then sick. And nobody there to turn with him, so me have to go sleep over and give him one strength tonight. So me can't sleep with her for the first night, baby.
Huh?
I told me just, you know, hear me I say.
No sir. Hold it back.
No, put in the house, you know, and boss of them they want to wash.
Can you ugly mother to wash them?
No, my mother, you know, hear me say my mother sick and the baby them there to help him.
That's if you can't go mother wash them. Wash them away, mother.
My mother have to wash them and he's sick, you know, you're good.
You sure say your mother call you?
Who else you call me?
You 100% sure say your mother call
Who
you?
if you call me? Me look at me born with two mother. Me can't look for me, so.
Me what if I lie you tell?
You ever see me I tell a lie?
You know if you say that.
What do you mean me not say that?
You know if you say that.
Me never tell one.
You know if you say that.
Yeah, from the day me born till now, me never tell one lie to you. Today. Boy, you say you really close to me.
Alright, go on.
I want you to know that you say like how
Go on.
you say like how your cookies two peas and me no want tomorrow morning KFC here.
Go on.
You hear me I say? You know see your money in the bank.
No money in my bank.
I want 3 piece. I want famous boy, yeah baby.
Make who say if I go to buy you one 3 piece?
Your mother, you hear some mother say come if you buy me 3 piece. Come like you want me like a cheat and made if you have sense. Want to your babes?
Why you about to abuse me body?
Because you know no sense. Me tell me I go to mother, you say mother wash me clothes and buy KFC. You know rate me or you know rate
You
my
know,
mother.
you know me getting loud.
You come get fair man. Like, come like me move, come back and I said thing.
Oh, mother call you. Come here, idiot. Me are the idiot. Fool me once, I can't fool me twice.
Mommy. I said I go on the road, though, but I'm not come back in tonight, you know.
You not come back in tonight?
No, I'm not coming.
You take my advice.
What advice?
You and your ex get back to no ex. You and
What
you,
ex you talking
you take him
about?
back now.
No.
So we are stay tonight. If you now
Me
stay with
go out
him.
with my new boyfriend. We are going to sleep over and we are going to go on date and something. We are going to meet him and everything. So I'm not sleep here tonight.
That day.
Yes.
Yes,
He love me
he-
and I love him.
Love.
Yeah.
You know nothing about love. I just the other day meet him and love already.
But if you didn't know about love, you and my father are still there.
No, but let me tell you already, learn from other people's mistake. Learn from other people's mistake.
And that made it so I not go back to my ex, because you not go back to my father.
Alright. I can't tell you what to do. He's a big woman. Just remember my advice and walk good here. Be safe. Why this child won't listen to big people that talk? She have to go feel it for herself. Jaja.
Hi.
Aye. Nothing.
You know link back with you. I want to sound sir.
So, me call you.
Yeah.
And you go call me mother. Me give birth to you?
No, I know that sweetheart. Remember say I'm my mom's.
Me look like your mom's?
Yeah, of
Me
course.
drive underfit, me look like your mom's? And mom's alone drive underfit.
But you drive me crazy.
So
that
me
mean-
not understand. You call me mommy. The last time we meet right at the spot there, you see him and tell me say you never date a girl before. One day for a girl, you did decide to make you come to have a hello mommy.
No, babes, I think far, man. Why you even think that?
Yes, me have to think far.
No, man, you make me feel insecure. You feel insecure. No, think that way, man. I just something different. I look a cute, look a nickname.
Well, me not like it.
What kind of nickname you like?
Me not like your mom's thing.
See what I'm call her.
If you own me, you have to show ownership. You don't mom's me.
What would you like me to call you, sweetheart?
Wifey.
Wifey?
Yes, when I call the phone again, I say yes, wifey.
No problem.
And don't come say mom's. Because
Alright.
I'm not your mother.
Okay.
Understand?
You're pretty like mother, though.
Yeah. So, I want to know full time now. So, I wonder if would I go out on like a date, like for eat, you know, enjoy ourselves and get to know each other more and talk and laugh and
Yeah,
probably meet your mother too.
yeah, of course. Can meet for your mother. Even though I have a look of feeling, say your mother not too fond of me.
Don't worry about she. She alright. And me I deal with and she I deal with. Come on, listen to she. Me a big woman. Yeah. So me a big woman. She said the man too big for me. But a big man, me not like a little pitney them. Little pitney them not in the sense of me like the big man them like
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah, I get
Yeah.
I get So I don't know problem. But before all of that, so what you plan for doing at nights? With your top boy sleep over.
Yeah, for come over tonight. No later than tonight.
I love that.
Yeah, right tonight, yeah. Mother cook food for you too. Come and tell her, say, yeah, come over. Even
What
though
she
she not
cook?
too like, yeah.
that would make me nervous, you know.
You know, I'm nervous because me I eat it too.
Yeah, easy too.
Yeah, same place with how we eat out.
Oh, hold on there. Hello?
David,
Yo.
let me tell you this. Let me ask you a question. You are your mother can sleep in the said bed?
No, sir.
So you mean by you going for your mother? You see if you know how we burn up the clothes them we you have over here, you come take them up now. Find your yard now. And remember say we win the lotto. Come over look at me burn up the clothes and come burn to them mama house.
Jesus Christ.
Come now.
Alright. Babes, I'm so sorry. My mother just called me. I tell me, say, when you lose one and kidney them and you run go hospital. I don't want to feel like this. I can't bother sleep over tonight. I have to run go over my yard.
It's a joking thing.
No.
So why me and you can't go over there?
Oh, you have to go
We
over-
can't run it now. You ready?
Yeah, no bother with that, man. I ain't time to joke now. But
Me not joke.
I go rearrange.
I'm a nurse, so me can't help come.
No, we rearrange it. We see you next time. Sorry about this. As me reach over and make you know what I'm going. Here, go and take care of yourself. Here, baby.
I'm taking over, sir.
What? Where where you come from?
There, man, up on the hilltop
So
where I
it-
come from.
You know, tell me if nothing go on.
Well, I see her one time I walk come up, you know.
Oh,
But she still not there what me there under there. Man, him mother walk. I try convince him, but he not work.
you see, if your mother convince her, that means say, you can put in your application back again.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
But me there on the boombox thing still.
Remember you know the boombox thing? The boombox thing is the perfect thing for do.
Oh, daddy.
Huh?
Must see she a come here too.
Oh,
See
are you
her?
exercise?
Yeah.
No. See, man.
Watch how you walk so.
You know,
You know, see me so can't tap.
you know, so what they have in the top her, but through the big mouth, Kayla, I couldn't even get to talk to her, but it's a good thing. Because why would I breathe her?
Mm.
And I feel, I don't know say you exercise. Man, sorry full of want you back, you know.
Sorry for what?
You can't give him a
I'm
chance.
sorry for everything me do.
Yeah.
You know what this man do me?
Where do I?
Tell the man what you do me. You dey blow up.
He must say me there with the auntie, but me not like that, daddy.
You do the hand
The
thing.
man
Hey.
there with me, and then him left. Behind my back go there with my auntie. She there with my best friend, and my best friend close friend too. My auntie.
So
had
you have,
died and get
so you have
sick.
move. We know, you know,
You know, my night me go up on the road, daddy. I would drink up people around.
no, listen me. Don't remember about the night when they go on road. But
So you can't take yourself, remember, exit yourself.
No.
And me go up on the road, man. But yeah, move so.
So the woman when they come there, did her auntie?
He look so.
Now he look so I'm an auntie. You're too damn
He's
lie.
so untouched. He's so untouched.
I always want to know. When you not cheat with responsible. When you not lie with responsible.
Daddy, but when you cheat, I rum make you cheat more while.
Rum the on the shelf. Me never tell you if you go trouble it.
That, how you make it rum, you know?
You can't
We
see a
rum
nice
bad, daddy.
woman and cheat for the woman. Eh? How you fool so?
Me I feel bad in myself, me I go do that.
And now you should have had the boom box.
Boombox now go work, daddy. Kind of boombox.
When you
can't
bung
talk
some love song, her heart would have melt and weak. That's your mama, you don't love roses.
But not from him.
about. It's hard, daddy.
You don't love chocolate.
No.
Why, you have money, you know.
You could have.
A bad man
plenty
in
of
claim saying,
million.
but you know,
And
you
your
know where
point
thing come
is?
down. You know, so we just book him and just eat, you know.
Book what?
Book
What you going to book?
No, man, we have done
Go
that.
and fix your
No,
life.
listen, it's only I go book anybody.
Mm.
No involve me night.
So yeah,
We all-
no me up par.
No, when? Since when? Since when?
So I know you back out right now.
Mama, me don't know him. I don't know him.
You better know me again.
When? You don't just stop here, so. And I said, see your ex a come there. Me know you. Where me know you from?
Daddy. Alright, everything.
Where
good.
they walk and watch me for?
Me now watch
Oh,
you.
watch your pums.
So you know some me down there so walk come. We are
Up on the hilltop me I come from. I spot my spot, I mean, I have to go, I can look and see you.
Realize I go round so
Mm-hmm.
you find me.
Cause we a walk, I see a
I
one
come the
village.
way ya, you still find me.
I weed me go look up on the hilltop there.
I tell you last time. Say my man,
Mm.
a gunman.
Me not respond
And
boy, yeah, man.
page you. Why you left me alone?
I don't know,
I
page in
move
the book.
on with life.
When they hear
Mama,
someone say about page,
Me
you
not
know,
respond
page
boy,
in
yeah,
the book.
man, mama. We can book him. Yeah, talk about page, we can
Book
book
him for what?
man.
You don't hear
Concert.
me.
Hmm?
You don't hear me.
Something,
I
man.
say ho, my man carry this thing here now. You don't hear
Come
me.
let me have to go buy one for myself and lift up and show you, say, yo, we not to talk.
Who?
Hmm?
We who not do that.
Easier to me, daddy.
You dey
Yes,
talk.
when you mention yourself, say you. Don't use the word unu, because mama my face and me in it. I mean, I want to tell him
But the
man.
mayor par.
The man just say and
So you're
yarn him
afraid of
apart.
people? More than afraid of
Listen
people,
me.
daddy.
Yes, when it come on to
Damn life.
this year,
Mm.
when she
But we
attack
can't
about,
get that.
me no know you.
What? We can't
So
get that, daddy.
mama, mark me face. This year boy, I don't know him. See there? Me blind. Me not see him. Me not hear neither.
Rubbish.
Mama, me can't borrow me here if you walk go down the road.
Yeah, man, you can't walk go on with it.
Alright, let go walk.
Rubbish.
Me not look back. Me not business with him.
Thing, you see how you.
Where lot of money there? Where lot of money there?
I don't worry about lot of money. Me no win no lotto. You feel to say me didn't win lotto, but that's still there, so? Me pick up and go a long time. I show you how to tell lie the proper way.
So who I tell lie?
Yo.
Look, some mother drink some Andrews and feel better, yeah. Cause a lot of money can't get me over here, so through my mother feel better. Me tell you that. Your money.
All the clothes them never burn up, but wash. I put them on the back for burn up. Me put them on the back for burn up. Me nah ramp with you this area.
But you close them for?
Boy, you gonna have mother, sick out.
So you think I'm dark this? You think you're more important than my mother?
Me no think so, but me have a feeling say your mother don't know their mother.
Tell-
Me know when you tell her you can't look at me.
So me I look. Yeah, I know. I lie me I tell.
Oh, you tell the truth.
Me never tell you one lie yet. You just, sometimes you just say some things and feel bad.
How me make you feel bad? Alright.
No. All right, me. Let's tell me I say. I said the reason why I run away last time. Me tell us a gunman I run me down. Yeah, I say. Me should have asked them why me I run me down. Yeah, idiot. When they shot me, what me I gonna do? If you ask God why then they run me down when me dead. No, me tell us my mother sick. You are saying you don't believe my mother sick. Me I looking in your eye and I tell us my mother sick. And me I come from my yard and you make me look like this big fat lion.
In the fact, but you want to lie at things. But anyway, let me say, we now bring the past into the present now. We are going to put that behind us. We are going to stop accusing you of things. Anything we say, I saw it go. You say you come from your mother, if your mother may just never believe it, because when I tell them your mother had me that plan to come.
No, you should have go down there.
No, but I true me say me I give you 10 because any never come me that come look for you because yes say you sleep tonight in the house. So better go and go eat the stew peas.
You know I'm stew peas. We're dead for younger. You know I'm stew peas.
I'm going dead for hungry then.
No, stew peas.
When me don't look, but me look more
fried
chicken
chicken my mother cook over there. And she call me over here. But yo.
Me don't cook chicken give you.
Me no want no chicken. We dead for younger. Me no want nothing for you.
Everything is, as I come back here and make be a mischief in our yard. Me tell you that you.
And the next thing too. Don't make me clothes them wet up. Wash me clothes them.
No, you wash me drawers them.
Yeah, what you do?
Why you come back so quick?
Cause, boy, everything not end well.
What happened?
So when I go, I see him and we did him said to me say, I can't go by the sleepover because his mother takes sick with one and kid. Then I have to go with his mother, go to doctor and something. So I said to him, say, me and come, me can run. And he say, no. Me say, me a nurse, but me can't help. And he say, no. Him can deal with his mother takes sick. No problem.
And you never know, your mother's sick with kidney problem when you fall.
Him have to go and carry his mother go back to the doctor.
And you know, see nothing fishy in that.
What fishy about that? Him say me can't help cause he bigger than me, so him have to go carry his mother go to the doctor.
And you believe him?
Yeah.
Girl,
So why me not believe
me
him?
dep on this earth a little bit longer than you. Sick mother, sick picnic, usually mean me there with my girlfriend, you can't come. Or, I don't know if you're there with the boyfriend and can't come. But either way, that's a regular excuse, my girl. Is that a regular excuse man use? And true, say them is their mother. You're going to feel sorry for them.
Because him say mother sick with kidney. Why a person that call him sick when the mother and the mother not sick?
You will be surprised what man would do. And they might try to get out of a lie here. Me still say, well, That's why I tell you to learn from my mistakes. And me see you going down the same road.
What same road? After me not go back to my ex, so how me feel go back down the same road?
Better you did go back to him, baby. Better you did go back to him because this one original.
So why you not go back to my father then?
Come me learn my lesson. And I had to learn it the hard way. No, baby, you not learn no lesson. Me I
So
watch
me go back to my
watch
ex
you
and you
jump
learn a
over the
lesson?
cliff and me I try pull you back from the cliff edge and you push me away and I jump forward. Like say you're Shelly Ann. You just a run over the cliff so.
So me should go back to my ex and then you'll be happy.
Me happier than if you stay with this one.
You they sick. You they mad. Me, go back to my ex. You they sick, you they mad. I will never go back to that man.
All right. Remember, sir, me tell you that when you call me mad. When you go ball and I holler, remember that. Nobody come back and holler to me, you know. Because all you're going to get is, I told you so.
Why me go cry? Why me go holler? He always make me happy. My ex make me sad.
It not come yet, baby. It not come yet. I hope and pray I'm wrong. But me not think so. Me not think so. Okay. This one funny. I mean, me not understand how you can read between the lines yet and see what go on. But read all right. All right. If I saw.
Should fear more.
Then no me man that.
Should fear more.
One day my sister, hold on, make me I dance see what go on.
That boy.
What is man? Their mouth.
Fear notes.
Don't talk about me no. Don't talk about me no. Do not talk about me no. Don't talk about me no. Don't do that again. No me I don't.
Yeah, fire breather. I'm not even gonna say that.
Let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
You sure you love me?
I love you with all of my heart.
You sure?
Of course I love you.
Now me alone you have.
Yeah.
You know another girl.
No.
Alright. You sure?
I'm sure.
You sure?
Sure say there's a God in heaven. That's what you sure say. I alone me have.
You sure?
Yeah.
Give me hug.
Alright.
Tell me.
Man, me telling you about man. Boy, oh boy, man is such a liar.
Lord God, what do you? What do you, baby? Talk to me. What do you? What's wrong?
Mommy,
How
you see dirty boy with the one me bought. He's a big, perfect liar that you know.
What happened now?
About this, so mommy. I'm finding man with other woman, mommy. I should have listened to you, no. Me should have listened to you. But no, me the big woman, I take up big man.
Me would have say, I told you so. But you look too upset, so me not gonna say it, because you don't know already.
Mommy, right now, me just feel like more hang myself.
No. Nobody talk like that. Nobody ever talk like that. No man is worth that. Me no go through 9 months of carrying you and 32-hour labor for bring you into this world for source a man make you take your life. You mad? We'll kill first. No. No man no worth that. So tell me something. What happened to your ex? He will take you back now.
Mommy, him not even talk to me much just to take me back. Not even me. That's a man.
You try. I want no, my girl. Not talk so. Make me hear. Listen, no man is worth that here. Actually, nobody worth that. Man or woman or child or beast no worth you taking your life. You hear? You just jump up, spruce up yourself. Sure. All right, you try that one. Maybe now you will listen to wise head. Mommy wise head. One, shake up yourself, my girl. Shake up yourself. Come, just get up. Come, get up. Jump up. Shake up yourself. Give me a smile. A man no work that. Shake up yourself.
What me I go do?
You go live. A man make you live. A man bring you. You live your life.
Everybody out there have money, especially me.
What is to be will be. Look how long me single, me happy. What is me now say you go single as long as me, you know. I'm an old woman. But look for you, baby girl. A fooling fool. How him can have such a precious gem as my daughter? I look for another woman. You know, sister, I'm an idiot, mama, man. You feel look up my girl and say, thank God you find out no before no heart going at the thing. Remember, say that talk love.
Alright, man.
Yeah,
I
man.
know what you do now. No worries.
Yeah, man. How we run things, you know, my girl. Things a man no run we.
Yeah, man. I'm gonna show you something.
Yeah, man. Shake up yourself, liven up yourself, and twist it round pan them.
Yeah, twist the table tomorrow.
Yeah, man. First thing.
Yeah.
First thing, baby.
Yeah.
All right, me go get you a stiff drink and we come back and we reason and plan. Them don't know who them I deal with. Trouble my baby girl. All right, trouble my baby girl. Me I come, baby. Me I get you a special.